Hi, I'm Dinah Boateng.
Hi, and my name is Kwame Afre. We are here to give you more information on the Ghana-Finland Business and Investment Symposium.
The Ghana-Finland Business and Investment Symposium is being organized by the Ghana Union of Finland for the second time in collaboration with Ghana's Embassy in Denmark, the Finnish Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and the Honorary Consulate of Ghana in Finland.
The date is 25th of October 2018 and the time is 2 to 4 p.m.
Venue: Ulkoasiainministeriö, Finnish Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Press Launch, Kanavakatu 3C, Helsinki.
And now the speakers.
Her Excellency Amerley Ollennu, Awua-Asamoa, Ghana's ambassador to Denmark, will be a special guest speaker. Other speakers include Ms. Leena-Kaisa Mikkola, Director General, Department for Africa and the Middle East; Ms. Birgit Nevala, Program Director of Finnpartnership; Mr. Antti Piispanen from the Finnish Ministry of Foreign Affairs; and Dr. Richard Owusu FEA, Linnaeus University, Sweden.
The purpose of this symposium is to showcase business opportunities in Ghana and to encourage investors to invest in the fastest growing economy in the world at the moment.
Ghana Union Finland is therefore encouraging all investors to attend this great program because there will be a lot of information on how to do business in Ghana and Africa at large.
Once again, this information was brought to you by Ghana Union Finland.
And please don't be left out.